What's up, YouTube? Autopilot Beats, letting y'all know we're in the Slidell, Louisiana area, and we got Isaac flooding us up. It was pretty bad. But it's more of a rainmaker. Around 4:30 on the 29th. Well, it's the 30th now, huh?
Yeah, my birthday's tomorrow.
Oh, I know. Well, it sucks. Happy birthday, baby. Early. Well, yeah. It's what was it? 4 in the morning on the 28th. Man, straight hurricane force winds at a Cat 1, of course. But
gust up to 80 to 90 miles an hour.
Yeah, gust about 80, 90 miles an hour. You know, you would think that that's not a whole lot, but in the wooded area, it really is.
We seen it at the shelter too.
Yeah, at the shelter. Well, it wasn't so much woods and it was higher ground, but
it's still bad.
Yeah, it was pretty bad. So, Autopilot Beats. Just gonna let y'all see other little transitions to all the other footage that I had caught while I was
no
in this.
Katrina.
No, definitely not a Katrina. No Katrina.
We sat through that, but this is more rain, and it may flood. It has flooded parts of Slidell.
It's more of a May flood event. Back in '95, May of '95. We had a different trailer standing here at the time. It was 3 feet lower, and it got about maybe about a foot of water in it, close to, I want to say.
It's like the only damage to the house is that.
I know, huh?
But that was already loose.
Yeah, it's pretty loose.
That one?
It was very windy. I hope this lets up soon. We have a pipe issue soon if that gets toppled over. Ain't over yet, huh? Oh, shit. It's probably going to get to the 3rd step or so. Just got back. Still ain't letting up. The rain, it's more of a rainmaker now. Yeah. The wind subsided.
We are back at the house.
Remember getting the wind?
Oh,
well, we have.
It was fucking worse than here. It was worse than this.
Yeah, we're probably gonna get it. Possibly, if it stays like this, probably gonna get it to the 1st, 2nd step. Hopefully, no further than that. Huh?
No, it's not.
The little cat, Sylvester. He's a survivor. Heathcliff. This is Heathcliff. Tabby probably pissing in the vent again.
Record this shit just in case I don't go to work and.
Oh no, we got this. I'm like this right here. For YouTube?
Yeah,
this is gonna be a new thing that people search.
They're
gonna search for shit.
People
immediately, yeah.
They made like slideshows of their footage for Katrina and stuff.
Man,
if you type in Hurricane Katrina on YouTube, so many people have videos of like their footage that they recorded and shit.
I'm gonna be one of the first to have Isaac on YouTube. People will search it.
The mailbox, which you how it is by the mailbox.
This will be on YouTube, everyone. I know all y'all mofos like YouTube. I love it since they started their monetization program. Ooh, man, drench, baby, drench. Waterfront property.
Came back from the shelter.
The shelter.
Came back from the shelter and look at this.
Got a little raindrop in the wind. Oh, you dumpster smelling motherfucker. Besser, for some reason he smells bad. We need to corner him with a hose and some soap.
I'm not trying to come this way because they can't be putting waste in the people's yards.
Yeah, really, huh?
No, like that. They'll get arrested if they do that.
Yeah.
That ain't coming up with me yet.
Yeah. A lot of people underestimated Tropical Storm Isaac. It actually
sub-tropical storm.
Yeah. It got to a Cat 1, and it was what 200 miles less as far as not rate diameter. It was like 200 miles less diameter than Katrina.
No, Katrina was only 200 miles wide.
No, Katrina was
600 miles wide.
This one was 300, I thought.
4.
Four?
Yeah, this one's about 400 miles wide.
Not as intense though.
Lot of rain,
Definitely
lot
not
of
as
rain,
intense.
lot of rain. Yeah, our pump's probably gonna topple over. If this keeps up, it's gonna break the pipes, and we're gonna have a little. That'll be the first project right there, immediately.
If like it floods, like, please don't record me.
Baby.
If it floods the pump,
Yeah.
will it fuck it up?
Well, if it what it's gonna do is just like with Katrina, it won't be the pump. It's the tank. The tank, because the tank is empty right now. It's got some kind of it's got like some buoyancy to it. And it's gonna topple over the tank and break the pipes like it did with Katrina.
Right,
and the pump's in the lower it's in the lower lying area now that we got the new well.
What I'm saying is, if it floods over, like, if it starts to flood on the tank, will it fuck it up?
No, it'll just topple over and break the pipe. That's it. Now the pump might get wet and fuck it up. Yeah, I guess that's what you're trying to get at. But rain, go away, coming back another time. It didn't even rhyme. We have the wave.
Man, I wish you would have recorded more of that shit, man.
I know, I kept missing the good parts.
Yeah, you did. Every time a good part would come in, you put your camera off. You understand?
Yeah, it took too long. It took too long. I didn't want to run the battery down. I didn't want to run the battery down. No more. Man, I'm always missing it. Huh? I'm always missing it with this.
Oh. Never get another.
Get a better view. Tom, I miss it when it gets rough. Keep him recording, catch it when it gets rough.
Don't tell anybody else.
That's it. I gotta start all over again. Come on, give me one good one. One good little gust or something. This don't take pictures, just records, it's all. It's just a straight video camera. Basic.
Transform.